Hi, I'm Jennifer Lang, President and owner of Minneapolis Glass. We are a woman-owned construction and manufacturing company specializing in architectural glass and glazing. So the company's been around since 1937, started in a garage in Minneapolis. It started out with 2 people. Now we're nearly 100 people. For nearly 90 years, we've supported architects, general contractors, and building owners by fabricating and installing glass that meets the highest standards for performance, appearance, and longevity.
What truly sets us apart is how we manage a project, from the first concept of an idea to the final installation. We're more than a fabricator or an installer. We're a partner in your execution. It starts with collaboration, working side by side with you to understand the vision and technical requirements. Then we move into precision fabrication, where decades of craftsmanship meet automated production to deliver consistent results. Our team manages logistics, delivery, and installation to ensure everything aligns in production and on-site. It's a start-to-finish process designed to eliminate surprises and keep your project moving. Customers come back to Minneapolis Glass because we make complex projects feel manageable. We know that GCs and project managers are under pressure, so our operations team bridges the gap between the design intent and field execution. We are accountable, stay ahead of issues, coordinate with trades, and make sure products show up exactly when and how it's needed.
Our mission as an organization is to provide customized glass and glazing solutions to our customers. We want to take all the guesswork out. We want to be the glass experts.
That is what it should come out and look like.
At Minneapolis Glass, we can handle exterior glazing, interior glazing, as well as finishes. All of our installers are union qualified and trained. We average 20 years experience per glazer, so we're proud of that. We fabricate and install everything with precision, speed, and accuracy. From storefronts and curtain wall systems to entrances and interior glass partitions, we bring deep technical expertise, accurate pricing, and proactive communication to keep your project on schedule and within scope.
No more, Rye. There you go. Coming down.
Good. Coming down.
Perfect.
A lot of other companies only specialize in certain areas of the trade. Minneapolis Glass does a good job of doing multiple different types of framing and hardware and doors and heavy wall, and you get a little bit of everything.
We get to go ahead on a job, those guys are moving to keep everything on schedule. Within our metal fabrication shop, we can actually build the doors in-house, which allows us to control our own destiny as far as lead times go. Prep your door, hinge cutouts, whatever hardware happens to be on that door, we do that all here in our metal shop. Everything's digital. A seamless process eliminates human error.
On the manufacturing side, product engineers, procurement managers, and supply chain teams work with us to produce glass components that integrate seamlessly into their products.
This building was designed with an emphasis on moving material through the building efficiently. From the moment that the glass enters our building on large semi-trucks, that then enters our cutting line and our cutting storage area, that then moves on to the various different fabrication cells that we have in the same building that we are cutting glass, fabricating glass, drilling holes and notches in glass, painting glass. We are also cutting aluminum extrusions, building frames, building doors, building side lights. Product enters from one side of the building and then moves efficiently out the other side of the building. There's less lifting, there's less movement, there's less pushing of heavy glass, and by relying on equipment to do that, we can also provide our employees a safer work environment. We do recycle all of our glass. We recycle our metal cutoffs from our commercial side of the business. We also installed a state-of-the-art water processing system that recycles 99% of the water that is used in our glass fabrication equipment.
Minneapolis Glass has a huge focus on process innovation. We take pride in making sure that the applications, the glass, and the manufacturing all work together so that you have a product that lasts a lifetime.
What our technology allows us to do is deliver our fabricated glass that we 100% control on time, 99% of the time.
In some ways, Minneapolis Glass is more of a technology company than a glass company. And we really marry the software with the automation and then the hands-on craftsmanship to make sure that we're achieving the best possible result.
With our capacity system, we know how long everything takes. When you come to us and you say, we need a piece of glass that has XYZ fabrication, we've already done time studies and know how long it takes to do that. And so when that order enters our capacity system, it reserves that capacity for your order. With all the data that we've collected and that we have and that we're capturing and that we're using, we're able to meet our customers' needs while also providing our employees good work-life balance.
Attaboy, Ryan.
Pride is a great way to think about what's unique at Minneapolis Glass because each and every person really takes ownership coming in and delivering great product.
We strive to be better and better every day, and that makes me very, very proud.
It's about passion. People that work at Minneapolis Glass are drawn to each other, they're drawn to solving problems, and they're passionate about what they do every single day.
The capabilities that we have here are endless. It's really rewarding to see at the end, from start to finish, what we come up with.
This is a special place, and there's unique individuals that work here, and this is not just brick and mortar and a bunch of people that come here as a job.
With a reputation built on responsiveness, integrity, and technical expertise, Minneapolis Glass is uniquely qualified to support your project's success both in the field and on the factory floor. Whether you need a strategic fabrication partner or a full-service glazing contractor, we work collaboratively from concept through completion to bring your vision to life.